politicians will still come in defense and say, we are doing our job. And I've heard my ear, the water is turning into blue. The water is turning into blue. And I'm on for the videos, so ban. I'm on for videos. And I'm on chairman, so bad, no be Galamsey. Then I may call Dr. Loz or whatever say. Patu me boy. I said I'm suye. Because I'm a chef.
Mahama is the hope. He's the hope. He's the hope for nation Ghana. Ay, prose prampa. Ebuza for mami na makwaba ediba Ghana and Sem TV so. But somebody so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say by next time. Videos of this nature about also submit my camp. See the munim dano. If me Mr. President, offer me Mr. President a major also. Offer me TikTok a major also. Comment section major also. Me part of more importantly, share video ni ma oyonko MPP ni bia Ghana ni bia so we go so Ghana. So be bia wunya video no channel again. Ghana na yechire. The interested Dr. Laji Mamuba may be the president of Ghana. Inshallah, it will come to pass. Ebi ade ye offer. Open so boy me set up studio ni ade. Number na das ro reach through number na das ye na. The woman Mr. President sabeka ni ni beso. Ni pemwa na mode boy ye papa ni so pa so. Na okukumasi a journalist ba kwa wa chiri din wo pa. Uti ni din fi journalism mo Ghana. Ibrahim Tanko. Me respect ni papa. Because he's one of the few journalists very objective with the analysis. Now, about to Bombia Mani Rajon Domani Mahama and Dominic. Oko bosses here, one of the biggest mining companies in Ghana. I from N0w. More. Abusia. Now, N0w the almost to go do Obuase to in Fiebe the Ohuni. And so Obuasia. Obuasi is one of the worst developed communities in Ghana.
Franco,
Over.
we are all at risk.
Yeah, we are sitting on a time bomb.
Messi, Abrampa, enemy dancing. Me feel that demo. Me koya story bi wo Obuasi. Abrampa the crowd say. Apiti koko. Obuasi, obi Obuasi a oremi and na o tie mi bia no. Enim the story of Apiti koko. Angogo da Santi ewo honom ani kro no mo ofo ba bia omo dampi on waste.
Okay.
Aya apitikoko kro mo hona omo aye omo dampi waste. Now you know ade ani timi ye brusu to the extent that say ena omo nsase na ewo hono a omo dua ne nya contaminated.
I say.
Enti ama krom hofo fi say their life is at risk.
Is in danger.
This is about 4 years. It's about 4 or 5 years that I did this story. And I tell you, it was in court. Chromovon SU gold mine. No? Say, a Jumana Omo Yero Honontino, and no Omudia Banche. And one interesting thing is that Chromo of Wono. Odiano Ograne ya omuntoni nida.
This one the bath crew for so beton.
Anytime we catch us, we are all at risk.
Yes.
But I want to run about that what Diabino na ye you no say the land near contaminated. On to but rather obebaha no beto amame. So that am visa me there Galamsey there menini ni asem.
Thank you.
Enti e kan politics na ye me de. Enti politics na me dey tire na me.
I'm sorry. But on say an kind of crenua. Ye be ho ena saa na nimguase atu nyina. No okohoso okopeke news feed. Na busia ukona hu insu a oboasefo nom a anas insu a ye processing ma oboasefo nom a ye friend buy water na. Ehwe oboasefo no oboasefo untu na insu obi. And as I started a free era na na bia koku fada pencil. A chance in Phoebe a trim and a chance. MPP, you mean you say a year from Woody. We sat with the people of Obuasi and said, my enough time because we can send me a hard power. Because if you say, oh, you have the privilege to visit hospitals, now we'll get access to data. You realize that majority of patients na mobile more liver issues, kidney issues, respiratory issues, if in mining areas. Now, and you see, we had politicians in this country politicizing the issue of Galamsey. But if you decide to track back the issue of Galamsey, say, answer say N0w yakasey, and answer say N0w yakasey. A shas but history can prove to us, under certain governance, Galamsey escalate, and we can't take that away. And minimum any bank and mobile Galamsey theatre so. Abaya said on one MPT and Echo Gina and Galamsey site, any Galamsey a picture be posted to Facebook. And we allowed these personalities, these characters to enter into our parliament. It is now a question, but I say you see two Galamsey and I say minimize Galamsey. Due to such a member of parliament or be voted in favor of them, but the politicians are forgetting the fact that this is about the health of the citizens in the country. Sebi, Y0u Mahama. And now the vice, and any government appointee be or you receive Kim, you find call you find 37, you find AG, Debbie. Shim, you didn't outside. But what okay, me new say, send us see, will be say in your hospital in Dobeko. For whatever to your hospital in Dobeko. The patch on the one could do equipment compare where the whole company are sent. But the case where you will get some, and these people they are failing to think out wide, they will come and attack you. As I'm not you see, Mrs. Oko Hospital, no one moment of dialysis so on. Open South Hospital, no one moment of dialysis so more respiratory infection due to the issue of say Omote Galamsey sites, Omote Galamsey prone areas near there. You open motor. A few or community politician be all politicizing Galamsey. You go after the person. I mean, your health and I'm paying for the diagros. Your health only diagro. Because any pen will be anka, it was our area can want some CCA. And then me, I'm a no say. Sabi, what two and can is a video of Galamsey area, see how you to you. I know what they about it, Master Mobile, Tom, about cash on Marbeton. I didn't want it because you didn't see. What is going to happen? And that is what people are failing to understand and agree. Say, it's very risky. The health of the citizens, the health of the constituents is at risk. We don't come, saying this will be the matter. But I don't care. I don't care about the issue they're going to rain on me. So far as the health of the people, prioritize me okay. Because MC in DC now one walk of fact a land guard, a mobile guard, a Galamsey side, so much to Galamsey. Say, Onya go no, all member will be. Onya go no, and then the side chicks and the girlfriends and the wives and the back of enjoy with Dubai. Now what's Ghana, not political to me afford it. But such a character will come after you, trying to save him or her.
Politicians will still come in defense, say, we are doing our job. And I've heard my ear, the water is turning into blue. The water is turning into blue. And I'm on for the videos, so ban. I'm on for videos. And I'm on chama so bad and no collapse you. Then I may call Dr. Loz or okay for say, Patu Meboa. I said I'm suye. Because I'm a chest to Messiah saying so, and a command bassa. And if you look at horse, man horse, Google, Quamoa. Of a Galamsey,
yeah, with impunity.
With boldness and courage, we care less about it. Me say there's no government in Ghana. I buy PN when PPN is open with material money. I say it has come to stay. We need a radically to be about bottom. Some nearby me by the one term, me second term. I care less about second power. Of a and so part of so power. Why and so amount for Babasanum, amount for the time for much as so a illegal mining. But you see people coming out. Where now it's Excellency John Dramani Mahama say when it comes to illegal mining now, or Jitum's on one casanin call for the what have you been at the
Namono traffic situation at the say. I know me free as quite a bed it take me 1 hour 25 minutes.
Yeah.
As quite yo. Take me 1 hour 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, are they sama?
Who had the Bristol?
I did it other.
For Fidan Kahumi.
Sir,
why can any patamwa? Now, Uko Kobe.
And what can't go away on a Johnson you when the screen is can't cock
and then you are doing it.
And I if you're a pardon so.
Yes,
and it's one being now, copying the numerous.
That's all.
And tonight, yes, I am breathing pokra.
But still, I Kumasi, we need planning.
Exactly.
Because you see, a time is coming now. Because anka ye wo inner roads binum ne ade anka ye betumi ya because I the kwan ba ko na ne nyina nam the last time say na atonsu because atonsu nam say o me duru ase ha no say achia be si interchange ase that dey memfa ye froze atenga junction na memfa ma yanka kwan no na me nkosi wo na me hu yanka manko ana manka junction manka hono so kra kwan no onam so du ba bi ka be pe ba bi ada me ho asan anyeye ndire se metram na me dim sa several hours serious o
so sa kwan no fa atenga junction no na onam sa mayanka kwan no ye wo bo kwan bebre ho so ni nyina anye
enye na me kai etika inner road no
mami ka sem we say Kumasi nyina no edum that is a central business district or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
Now yenia ye wo area hanya think of their make kan.
Yeah.
E kwam mienu pe e na lidie nyina to edum ho. Hwe obi a wo ba bia yen wei. Wo free sokoban kwan so da ban ahoju kwan so e be fa nsaye so e ko fa santase patase e kwam mienu pe ne nyina fa so ko edum. It has over fa
and this year was standard. Omnya standard ento omo be di atam dia ba ba mu na so omo ba na ya boye nsema mu omo why na ya na Sam George timi adu ba be si atam o se o di na atam a se enkura ntimi nto data na data 1 gig 3 cedis and the same data 1 gig no about 9 cedis na me use say useless minister way to be charitable to him. This useless minister. Na obon nsem obon nsem ni atuo ne de obon nsem ma no. When he say onu waka say nanado useless president, he is being charitable. Na ka we ko across useless. Sam George way out way. So ke ka se be mu the same standard. Why not in this town? And na Sami Jamfi any project Jamfi no mu gina kromo kum nanado ma kum want is anyum no. Didn't do here. Sanyum ko na kum dwa ma enye. Sanyum kwa na se nanado se o man nti nyame nkunu ma ya no sanyum kwa na ekum dwa mama because wo se o man enye ege ho ntoye oza no de yo mo de e ka o ma ndi afi de mutufo oza afi de mutufo ha sa futo ya ti abre he amampanyi Jelly John Rollins ti ase o ka sa se bi data na pipi na insource nim o ti e before they don't waste their time on insource so they they don't waste their time on insource our NDC people they are mouth like asses. Missy 2008 say fellas kwacho ofusu we okuje to abla rom timi ya nanado a woti kuraba so e social media we saw it. O da ka fa boy ban boy ga be so na so ndo hunu so area ko kan ma ba chie so na self to no ma mutu tutu no da na ko so mutuo when we were doing something better yet to kroma no na omo fra omampanyina ba di ache ba ulaya. This set of headless ministers omo besi so omo hunu bahampomfa o ma yinhyem no omo fra omampanyina ba di ache ba ulaya and omo ka che so omo ministers of state and you can see the same thing at your home. And in being on social media, not TV that that woman chapa, no woman to fear, Emma or Mampany that I cry am shino. Tea bread and not done in chapa no worry. Social media, you bet me up post two pictures in social media. Some ministers here and there, or Mukasa, you want to say, you know, tea bread and what Tiabon tea and warrior pan. And normal for flight to lunch.
Adai ya this baba dia na mutu fo ania mu nya abotere ye wo hanomo ye hu se Broja Jamfi. He is a deputy minister of defense now. And when I say Broja Jamfi, I remember I say he is far from Broja Jamfi.
I can tell you me link me to him abo so onya wo